Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga and You. My name is Nadishodhan Ramakrishnan. Today we're going to learn Pranayama for Beginner Level 2. In this video, we're going to learn another important practice that you can do as a beginner to increase your prana. Like I said in the last video, we have so much of life energy within us. From this time of birth until death, we have this energy to do all our physiological functions. If this energy is not free flowing, that's when we develop a lot of ailments, a lot of diseases. So how do I regulate this prana within me? How can I make my lung capacity more, and how can I increase this life energy inside me? So in today's practice, we're going to learn something called Nadishodhan Pranayama. It is to cleanse your nostrils and the tubes, which helps you to breathe in. And we're going to start with any cross-leg position. You can either start with a Padmasana. If you're absolutely not comfortable with Padmasana, you can start either with Siddhasana or any comfortable cross-leg position, or sit on a chair. The only condition is here is you're seated upright. Your back is straight, your shoulders rotated back, your chest is nice and open, your chin is slightly tucked down. Keep your hands on your knees. For this pranayama practice, we're going to take your right hand, fold the first two fingers. So the last two fingers will help to close the left nostril. The thumb will help you close the right nostril. So now we're going to take the breath in through one nostril. We hold the breath in for a few seconds and we'll take the breath out to the opposite nostril. And then we take the breath from that opposite nostril, hold the breath in and to the other nostril. So let's try and see how we can do this. So close your right nostril first. You can do this with your eyes closed. Inhale, slowly take the breath through your left. Hold the breath in, close both your nostrils. As you exhale, you're going to take the breath out through your right. Right inhale. Hold. Left exhale. Make this inhale and exhale 3 seconds long minimum. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold the breath for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3, right side. Hold the breath in. And exhale for 3, left side. One more round, left inhale. Hold the breath. And right exhale. Last time, right inhale. Hold. And left exhale. You release your hands. You do this pranayama with your eyes closed. You can immediately feel that your mind calms down. So this pranayama practice not only helps to cleanse your nostril, but also helps to calm your mind. It works both with our body and mind, and prana is the key between this body and our mind. So every time you take a breath, you try to lengthen your breath for 3 seconds. Even if you're walking, you're talking, you're moving, try and make your breath slow and steady. That will help you to gain more energy to do a very full-fledged pranayama practice. Let's say 20 minutes of pranayama practice, an advanced level practice. You need to have at least 3 seconds long inhale, 3 seconds long exhale. And this Nadishodhan Pranayama will help you to prepare your body and mind to sit for a pranayama practice. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.